In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your Firefox homepage so it looks simpler, less distracting, and easier to use every time you open your browser. If your Firefox start page feels cluttered with widgets, shortcuts, stories, and extra recommendations, this quick settings change will make a big difference. And before we get into it, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like the three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu. From here, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left side or the main navigation area and click Home. This takes you to the section where you can control what appears on your Firefox homepage and new tab page. Now scroll down until you find the Firefox Home section. This is where Firefox lets you turn different homepage features on or off. You'll see options like widgets, shortcuts, stories, support Firefox, and recent activity. If you want a cleaner homepage, simply disable each of these one by one. First, turn off widgets. Then, disable shortcuts. After that, switch off stories. Next, turn off support Firefox. And finally, disable recent activity as well. By turning off all of these options, you remove the extra content that normally appears on your Firefox homepage. This gives you a much cleaner, more minimal browsing experience, and it helps your homepage feel less crowded every time you launch the browser. If you ever want to bring any of these features back later, you can always return to the same home settings and re-enable them with one click. But if your goal is a fresh, distraction-free start page, disabling all of these options is the fastest way to do it. And that's it, your Firefox homepage is now cleaned up. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy browser tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.